You woke up in the middle of the night with sulphur burps? Yeah, I've been there, and the culprit might be your dinner. Stick around because I'm going to share the one food that triggered it for me and how I stopped it from happening again. My name's Mark and I've been on my Mounjaro journey for 10 months now and lost 9 stone, and I share everything I wish someone had told me earlier. So follow me if you're on this ride too, or favourite this post so you don't forget. So let's talk about sulphur burps. If you've had that rotten egg taste in your throat, it is grim. For me, it always flared up after red meat and only when I hit 15 milligrams, especially steak or mince late at night. So when you're on MJ, your digestion slows, so red meat, which already takes longer to break down, can just sit there and ferment. And the result? You're burping sulphur like you're a science experiment. What worked for me was cutting down red meat to about once or twice a week. I swapped it for chicken, turkey, or even fish, and the sulphur burps disappeared. Peppermint tea after dinner helped loads, and you can also try a probiotic as well. So have you had this on your journey? What foods trigger it for you? Drop them in the comments below so we can learn from each other, and follow me for more real talk about life on Mounjaro. Catch you in the next one.